Here we go, y'all. Here's our room here in Garden City, South Carolina. Here's the walkthrough before me and the missus get this sucker dirty.
What's
Yeah.
dirty?
Ooh, hey. There's the missus right there. She's glowing because she's at the beach. Nice place to pate. Nice turquoise everything, just like the missus likes.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Uh-huh.
No, really, I'll take it.
Like everything's turquoise around here. And we don't have enough room for all this at home, hon. Yeah. And it's not ocean front, but I can see the ocean from here. Yep. Garden City, South Carolina. Because it's better than staying at Myrtle Beach. Yeah, that's right. Hey. Wag's over here ready to get out. Been cooped up in the bag all day. Rebel flag lighter, yeah. Show my spirit everywhere I go. Just like I'm gonna do with my cooler here. All aboard the Trump train, choo choo! Trump 2024. It's a damn shame what they did to this man. And he's still battling. Trump's my hero. Yeah. This is the spot, y'all. I don't even know what the name of this place is. But it's just some kind of condominium here. Right at the beach. And it's literally right beside the bar over here and the arcade, ice cream shop. Yeah, we're right in the middle of it, y'all. Right in the thick of things. Just like we want to be. Just like where we want to be. Yep.